Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Mommy's Wiz. Today we are going to learn about the lesson called lights. So friends, during the end of the video, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So friends, let's get into the lesson. First, let's see about what are lights. In this world, we usually see a variety of objects. Sometimes we are unable to see anything in a dark room, but on a lighting up the room, we are able to see the things in the room, since it's an obvious question arising that makes things visible. So its answer is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects from where it comes or reflected. We can detect light with our eyes. And next, let's see what is about light traveling along a straight line. By seeing the phenomenon around us, like a beam of sunlight enters a room through a narrow opening or a hole, and beams of light coming out from the headlamps of cars, scooters, engines, torch, and etc. From the above example, we can conclude that the light travels along a straight line. So the next point will be reflection of light. There are some certain situations in which a mirror or shiny surfaces like stainless steel plate, shining steel spoon act as a mirror, can change the direction of light that falls on it. So this process of change in direction of light by a mirror is called reflection of light. The surfaces of the water can also act as a mirror and can also change the path of light, and that is why we see the reflection of trees or building in the water. The next one we are going to see about is about let's see about the image of an object. Generally, when we look into a mirror, then we see our face. Actually, what we see in the mirror is exact reflection of our face. Hence, it is known as an image of our face. In this case, our face is the object and what we see in the mirror, its image. The image of our face seen in the mirror is formed where light rays, after reflection from the mirror, seems to be originate from. The image of a face appears to be situated behind the mirror. There are two types of images. Real image. It's an image which can be obtained on a screen. Example, the image formed on a cinema screen. When the light rays coming from an object actually meet at the point after reflection from the mirror, then it results in the formation of a real image. Visual image. It is an image which cannot be obtained on a screen. Example, image formed by a plane mirror. When the light rays coming from an object appears to meet after reflection from the mirror, then it results in the formation of virtual image. It is not possible to form a virtual image on the screen because light rays actually do not pass the screen or cannot be received on a screen. So next one that we are going to see is about characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Now, we will describe the various characteristics of the images formed in a plane mirror by taking with the example of image of the candle. When we see the mirror, the image of candle appears to be formed behind the mirror. Now put a vertical screen behind the plane mirror where the image of candle appears to be situated. Then we will be noticing that the image of candle cannot be formed on the screen. Even if the screen is placed in front of plane mirror, then the image of candle cannot be formed on the screen, since Image of a candle formed in the screen mirror cannot be formed on a screen, which means that the image of candle in the plane mirror is a virtual image. So the next one we are going to see about is, if we see the figure, then we will find that the length and breadth of image of the candle and its flame to be the same as that of an original candle and its flame. The image of candle in the plane mirror is of the same size as the original candle. Next one, let's see about also, if we see the figure, then we will find that the candle has a flame on the top, and the image in the same way the bottom of candle remains on the bottom is in an image. Such an image is called an erect image or upright the image. Therefore, the image formed by a plane mirror is effect. And the next one is about the side inversion, right and left. When we see an image in the plane mirror, is it exactly like us? There's an interesting difference between us and our image. Let us find out this difference with the help of an example. If we stand in front of a plane mirror and lift our hand, then we see our image lift its hand. And if we lift our left hand, then the image appears to lift its right hand. This means that the right side of a body becomes the left side in the image. When the left side of a body becomes the right side of the image, it appears as if our image has been reversed sideways with respect to a body. The effect of reversing the sides of an object and its image is called lateral inversion. So we say that the image formed in a plane mirror is literally inverted, so we can understand why the word ambulance is. When a driver vehicle ahead of an ambulance look in her rear view mirror, then he or she can read ambulance written on it and give way to it. So it is the duty of everyone to allow ambulance to pass through without blocking its way. Next, let's see about spherical mirrors. All the mirrors are not straight like plane mirror, as some of mirrors are curved mirror. This is a common example of a curved mirror, i.e. spherical mirror. A mirror whose reflecting surfaces is the part of a hollow sphere of glass is known as a spherical mirror. And image formed by spherical mirror. It is a fact that spherical mirror form images of the objects placed in front of them, so these images are formed by light rays coming from the object fall on the mirror, get reflected to converge or diverge. We can use a spoon in order to understand the image formation by a spherical mirror. The inside surfaces of a hollow sphere of glass is bent in or concave, but the outside surface is bulging out of or convex. So the spherical mirrors are of two steps. They are concave mirror, convex mirror, and example is a shining steel spoon represent both the convex mirror as well as concave mirror, as the front side or inner side of a spoon is bent inward. So the front side of a shining spoon represents a concave mirror, while the back side or outer side of a spoon is bulging outward. So the back side of a shining spoon represents a convex mirror, as shown in figure. So let's check it out, the figure. Yeah. Concave mirror. which can be also known as converging mirror. The mirror whose reflecting surfaces is concave and polished surfaces is convex is called a concave mirror. The concave mirror reflecting the parallel rays or light in such a way that after reflection all the rays converge or meet at one point called focus in front of the mirror. Since a concave mirror covers a beam of parallel light rays, therefore a concave mirror is also known as a converging mirror. The next one is image formed by a concave mirror when the object is far off. A concave mirror forms a real image of the sun. We can understand that the formation of image by a concave mirror when the object is far off by an activity. Therefore, we can conclude that the image formed by a concave mirror is much smaller than the object, highly diminished, and real because it can be obtained on a sheet of paper, which is a kind of screen. So when an object is placed at a far distance from a concave mirror, then the image formed by concave mirror is real. Inverted, much smaller than the object. Image formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed close to the concave mirror. Let us perform an activity to understand the formation of image by concave mirror when the object is placed close to the concave mirror. Since the mirror can be observed only by looking into the concave mirror and cannot be formed on the screen, therefore the image is virtually. If we look at the image in the concave mirror, we find it will be the same side up as the candle, so the image is erect. And if we compare the size of the candle and its image, then we will find the image is larger than the candle. Therefore, image is larger than the object enlarged or magnified. Hence, we can conclude that the object is placed close to the concave mirror. The image formed by the concave mirror is virtual effect larger than the object enlarged or magnified. And then next, let's see about uses of concave mirror. Uses of concave mirror. To see a large image of the teeth of a patient, concave mirror are used by the dentist. The torches, headlights of vehicles and searchlights to get a strong straight beam of light, etc. Concave mirror are used as reflectors. To see a large image of the face, then the concave mirror are used as shaving mirrors. So and the next, let's see about convex mirror and diverging mirror. The mirror whose reflecting surface is bulging or convex, polishing surface is concave. It's called a convex mirror. After the reflection to the convex mirror, the parallel rays of the light are spreading out. When the parallel rays of light spread out, we can say that the rays of light are diverging. Image formed by a convex mirror. Let us perform an activity to understand the formation of an image by a convex mirror. The image of the candle can be seen only by looking into the convex mirror and cannot be formed on a screen. It is a virtual. The image of the candle can be seen only by looking into the convex mirror and cannot be formed. It's virtual image. If we look at the image in the convex mirror, we will find that it is the same side up as the candle. So the image erect. And if we compare the size of the candle and its image, the image appears to be smaller. Therefore, the image is smaller in size than the object or dismissed. Even if we change the distance of candle's object from the convex mirror, we will notice that in every case the image of the candle formed by the convex mirror remains virtual, erect, and smaller in size than the candle. So we can conclude whatever be the distance of that object from a convex mirror, the image formed by a convex mirror is always smaller than the object or diminished. Like virtual, erect, and smaller than the object or diminished. So the next one that we are going to see is uses of convex mirror. To see the traffic at the road side or backside on the road, convex mirrors are used to rear view mirrors or side view mirrors in vehicles such as cars, scooters, buses, and etc. Big convex mirrors are used as sharp security mirrors by installing a convex mirror in the shop. The shop owner can keep on an eye on the customers. And the next one is image formed by lenses. Since a lens is a piece of transparent glass bound by the two spherical surfaces, lenses are transparent so that the light can pass through lenses. Lenses are two types. They are convex lens, concave lens. Get some lens and try to touch them. We will find that some are thicker in the middle and the other edges, and some are thinner in the middle than the other edges. Image formed by a convex lens. The nature and size of the image formed by a convex lens depends on the distance of the object from the convex lens. Thus, we can conclude that an object is placed at a far off distance from a convex lens, then the image formed by the convex lens is real, inverted, and much smaller than the object or highly diminished. Now, change the distance of the candle from the lens and try to obtain the image of the candle flame very evenly. Time on the screen by moving it. So it is possible to get any positive placed very close to convex lens. Now let's see about the uses of convex lens. Convex lenses are used as a magnifying glass in the manufacturing of spectacles, camera, microscope, telescope, and binoculars, and convex lenses are used. So the next one is concave lens, which is also known as diverging lens. A concave lens is a lens which is thinner in the middle than at the edge. A parallel beam of light falls on a concave lens shown in the figure. After passing through the concave lens, the rays of the light are diverging or spreading out. Since the concave lens diverges, light rays falling on it. Therefore, it is also called a diverging lens. Image formed by a concave lens. Image formed by a concave lens. In the case of a concave lens, we have studied that the nature of image formed depends on the distance of the object from the concave lens. convex lens, but this is not the followed in the case of concave lens. Let us perform the activity to understand formation of an image by concave lens. Uses of concave lens. In order to see the image of the person standing outside, concave lenses are used in the peepholes in the door of hotel rooms. Concave lenses are used in making spectacles. Sunlight, white or colored. We might have noticed a rainbow usually appears after the rain when you notice the sun is low in the sky. An arc of 7 colors seen in the sky is known as the rainbow. The 7 colors of rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet. We might also have seen that when we blow soft bubbles, then affect a colorful similarity when light is reflected. Friends, next let's see about dispersion of light. In the year 1665, Newton discovered by his experiment with the glass prisms that the white light, like sunlight, consists of a mixture of lights of 7 colors. Newton found that it's a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism. Then the white light splits to form a band of 7 colors on a white screen. The band of 7 colors formed in a white screen when a beam of light is passed through a glass prism is known as a spectaculum of white light. The 7 colors of the spectaculum are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This is a diagram of the glass prism. And then next, so dispersion of light phenomenon of splitting up of white glass into 7 colors and passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism. The formation of spectrum of 7 colors indicates that white light is a mixture of 7 colors. White light can be sunlight. So now we can say that sunlight consists of 7 colors. We can mix these colors to get white light. This can be done by using Newton's disk. Let us try this. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So that's all for today, friends. Goodbye. Let's meet on another video. Goodbye, friends.